Let me show you how to create my famous snake, type pattern using the same stitch that we did with the spiral stitch, but just flattening it out. So that's the necklace, and so it's similar to this stitch, but we're just flattening the stitch out to create a snake-like pattern. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, take the same amount of beads. So we're going to do our 4 beads plus our 3. Bring it down, leave about 6 inches. Go up through the 4. Voila. Now we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these beads and then our 3. We're going to go all the way down. Now we're only going to count the 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We're going to do the same thing. 2 of these. 1, 2, 3. Pull this all the way down. Count 3 down. Two beads again, then our 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See how it's creating that stitch? That's what I did with this one. Do something like that. You can tie it and wrap it again one more time. There you have your snake bracelet using this technique. So again, we're going to do 2, then 1, 2, 3. Oops. Then go 1, 2, 3. Two of these, then 1, 2, 3. Two of these, then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there we go for creating our snake style thing. So we did our spiral stitch. Then from that stitch, we did the same one, but we flattened it out, where you could use that to make a snake necklace or a snake bracelet, whatever you're looking to make. What else would you guys like to learn?